They weren't just art. They weren't warnings. They weren't even messages to us. They were messages about us. For decades, we've tried to translate them with math, myth, and conspiracy. But what if crop circles aren't communication? What if they're calibration? Chapter 1. The Geometry That Speaks. The first thing people noticed about crop circles was their perfection. Not random, but geometric. Circles within circles. Spirals, tetrahedrons, mandalas. Every ratio precise, down to the centimeter, across fields the size of football stadiums. Many formations mirror sacred geometry. The same patterns found in nature, DNA helices, and even planetary orbits. They resonate with what physicists call harmonic ratios, and what mystics once called the language of God. When sound frequencies are vibrated through sand or water, they create identical shapes. They're called cymatics. And that's where it gets strange. Because these same geometric blueprints are now being recognized in brainwave resonance studies. Chapter 2. Sound, Frequency, and Mind. When you play a pure tone, say 432 Hz, through a medium, it arranges matter into patterns. When you meditate, your brain emits waves that also organize energy. Not in crops, but in consciousness. Some researchers believe crop circles might be residual frequency artifacts, energetic prints left behind by resonance, not machines. As if the earth itself were momentarily tuned, and consciousness, human or otherwise, left a visible fingerprint. That would mean they are not messages sent to us. They're messages recorded by us. Chapter 3. The Decoding Paradox. In 2001, a crop formation appeared beside the Chilbolton Observatory, a near-perfect replica of the Arecibo message humanity once broadcast into space. It included altered DNA, a different solar system, and a humanoid with enlarged eyes. We called it a reply. But think about it. Why would a civilization travel light years to flatten wheat? Unless they didn't. If these are frequency artifacts, they could emerge wherever consciousness interacts with the field, like automatic writing on a planetary scale. That's why some formations appear overnight with electromagnetic anomalies and heightened radiation, as if the air itself had been vibrating. The Earth might not just receive information, it might store it. Chapter 4. The Mirror. The deeper truth may be that we were never the audience. Each crop circle is a reflection of our state of awareness, our frequency as a species. A record of how conscious we are, etched into the landscape. When the collective mind rises, the patterns evolve. From simple circles to fractals of impossible complexity. The message? You're changing. You're becoming aware of the field that made you. They weren't warnings. They weren't art. They were reflections, a mirror between Earth and consciousness, between what we are and what we're becoming. Maybe the question was never who made them, but what part of us did. This is of course just one of the theories. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching The Drip System. And remember, you are not crazy. You are awake. Bye.